8 months of focus can change your life. Introduction. Life is shaped by focus. The daily choices we make, the small habits we cultivate, and the energy we devote to our goals determine the trajectory of our lives. While many people chase dreams without structure or direction, the truth is that sustained focus over a defined period can produce extraordinary results. 8 months may sound like a short time in the grand scheme of life, yet with the right mindset and strategies, it is enough to completely change your personal, professional, or creative life. Think about your life as a garden. If you scatter seeds randomly, some may grow, but most will struggle. Yet, if you focus your energy on a single plot, water it regularly, and remove weeds, you can cultivate a thriving garden. Similarly, dedicating 8 months of consistent, concentrated effort towards a goal allows you to master skills, form productive habits, and achieve results that would otherwise take years of scattered effort. Why 8 months specifically? Psychologists and productivity experts suggest that habit formation and skill acquisition require sustained, deliberate practice. While some habits may take 21 days to form and some skills a year or more to master, 8 months, roughly 240 days, is a sweet spot. It is long enough to build depth, but not so long that burnout or procrastination becomes inevitable. In this period, you can enter what experts call a flow state in your chosen area, where progress becomes automatic, and confidence grows with each small victory. Focus is more than just spending time. It is about deliberate, intentional action. Watching tutorials, reading books, or planning endlessly will not create transformation unless your attention is applied in a structured and disciplined manner. 8 months of focus requires you to design your environment, eliminate distractions, and create a daily routine that pushes you forward. This is the time to invest in yourself, your skills, mindset, health, and relationships. Every day counts. During these 8 months, challenges and obstacles will arise. You may face self-doubt, external pressures, or moments of stagnation. The key is to maintain a growth-focused mindset, seeing setbacks not as failures but as signals for adjustment and learning. Focused effort is not just about working hard, it's about working smart, analyzing results, and continuously improving. With each passing week, the compound effect of your actions will become visible, motivating you further. Moreover, 8 months of focus reshapes your identity. When you dedicate this time to improving a skill, forming a habit, or pursuing a goal, you begin to see yourself as someone capable of discipline, perseverance, and growth. Identity transformation is the hidden magic behind sustained focus. Once you internalize the belief that you are a person who achieves, the 8 months become a period of profound personal evolution. Whether your goal is to learn a language, get fit, start a business, master a craft, or improve your mental health, the principle remains the same. Sustained focus yields results. The following 5 lessons will guide you on how to structure your 8 months of effort, maximize productivity, and ensure lasting transformation. By following these lessons, you will not only achieve tangible results but also gain the confidence and skills to tackle future challenges with clarity and determination. Lesson 1. Set clear goals and a roadmap. The first step to any transformative journey is clarity. 8 months of focus can only be effective if you know exactly what you want to achieve. Vague goals like "I want to get fit" or "I want to learn English" are insufficient. Clear, measurable goals allow you to track progress, stay motivated, and make adjustments when necessary. Start by defining specific objectives. Instead of saying, "I want to learn a language," decide, "I want to reach conversational fluency in English within 8 months." Instead of "I want to get fit," define, "I want to reduce my body fat by 8% and increase my strength in major lifts." Specificity makes your goal actionable. Next, break your 8-month journey into smaller milestones. Divide the months into phases, such as 2-month cycles. Each cycle should have sub-goals that are achievable yet challenging. These milestones act as checkpoints, helping you maintain momentum and measure your progress objectively. A roadmap is equally important. Create a daily and weekly schedule that prioritizes activities contributing to your goal. For example, if your aim is fitness, plan gym sessions, diet tracking, and recovery periods. For learning, plan focused study hours, practice sessions, and immersive experiences. A roadmap ensures that every action you take is purposeful, reducing wasted effort and distractions. Remember the power of visualization. When you have a clear goal and a roadmap, visualize yourself achieving it. Imagine how your life will change, how you will feel, and what doors it will open. Visualization strengthens your commitment and aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious effort. Lastly, track progress diligently. Use journals, apps, or simple charts to record achievements and setbacks. Reflection is crucial, analyzing what works and what doesn't allows you to adapt your strategy. Without clear goals, a roadmap, and consistent tracking, even 8 months of effort can become directionless. Lesson 2. Build consistent daily habits. Focus is not about occasional bursts of energy, it's about consistency. The compound effect of small, daily actions produces massive results over 8 months. Daily habits form the foundation of your transformation. Identify key actions that directly contribute to your goal. For instance, if learning a language is your focus, daily reading, listening, and speaking practice are essential. If fitness is your target, workouts, nutrition, and sleep habits become your pillars. Prioritize these habits above distractions and non-essential tasks. Consistency thrives on routine. Design a daily schedule that becomes almost automatic. Morning routines, focused work blocks, and evening reflections help cement habits. Even on days when motivation is low, your routine ensures that action continues. Start with manageable increments, such as 30 to 60 minutes of focused effort, and gradually increase intensity. Accountability strengthens habit formation. Share your progress with a friend, mentor, or coach. Publicly committing to a goal increases your chances of persistence. Additionally, track metrics, whether it's words learned, kilometers run, or pages written. Seeing numbers improve daily reinforces motivation. Over 8 months, small wins accumulate. Don't underestimate the power of daily repetition. What seems minor today, 1 hour of study, a single workout, or a mindful practice, becomes a significant transformation by the end of the period. Habits are the building blocks. Focus is the glue. Lesson 3. Eliminate distractions and focus deeply. Distraction is the enemy of transformation. 8 months of focus demands the ability to concentrate deeply on meaningful tasks. Our modern world offers endless interruptions, social media, notifications, and multitasking habits that erode attention. Start by auditing your environment. Remove or minimize sources of distraction. This could mean turning off phone notifications, creating a dedicated workspace, or scheduling deep work periods. The goal is to create a space where concentration becomes effortless. Next, practice single tasking. Focus on one task at a time with full attention. Studies show that multitasking reduces efficiency and comprehension. When you give complete focus to a task, your productivity and learning speed increase significantly. Time management techniques like the Pomodoro method can help maintain focus. Work in short, intense bursts with brief breaks to prevent mental fatigue. Over time, your ability to sustain focus will naturally expand. Finally, develop mental discipline. Mindfulness practices such as meditation or breathing exercises enhance your capacity to resist distractions and stay present. 8 months of continuous focus requires mental strength, and these exercises train your brain to maintain it. Lesson 4. Track progress and adjust strategies. 8 months is enough time for significant growth, but only if you measure and adapt. Tracking progress allows you to see results, recognize patterns, and adjust your approach when necessary. Without tracking, effort can become inefficient. Create measurable metrics for your goals. For fitness, track body composition, strength, and endurance. For learning, track vocabulary acquisition, fluency, and comprehension. Regularly review your metrics to ensure progress aligns with expectations. Adjust strategies based on results. If a particular approach isn't yielding outcomes, experiment with alternatives. Focused effort is dynamic, not rigid. Reflect weekly or monthly: what worked? What didn't? What can be improved? Celebrate small milestones. Each achievement reinforces your commitment and provides motivation to continue. Reflection and adaptation are essential. They ensure your 8 months of focus lead to meaningful transformation rather than just effort without results. Lesson 5. Cultivate resilience and mindset. Finally, focus is meaningless without the right mindset. Over 8 months, challenges, setbacks, and self-doubt are inevitable. Resilience, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties, is a critical factor for success. Develop a growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through effort. Challenges become opportunities for learning, and failure becomes feedback rather than defeat. Resilience and mindset transform obstacles into stepping stones toward progress. Support your mental and emotional health. Practice self-compassion, positive affirmations, and gratitude. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your journey. Avoid negative influences that drain focus or confidence. Visualize success regularly. Imagine the person you will become after 8 months of dedicated effort. Internalizing this vision strengthens determination and keeps motivation high, even when the process feels difficult. Remember, transformation is as much about who you become as what you achieve. 8 months of focus reshapes your habits, skills, mindset, and identity. By cultivating resilience and a growth-oriented mindset, you ensure that the changes you make are lasting and meaningful. 8 months may seem short, but it is a long enough period to form lasting habits, acquire new skills, and transform your life. By setting clear goals, building consistent habits, focusing deeply, tracking progress, and cultivating resilience, you can achieve results that many consider impossible. Focus is a superpower. When applied correctly, it turns dreams into reality.